Hello friend, today I discuss trigonometry NCERT exercise number 8.1. Question number first. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine first sin A cos A. The second is sin C and cos C. So first of all we draw a right angle triangle, that is ABC. That is A, this angle is A, B, C. Angle B is right angle, so this angle is A, angle C. So AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, so hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to base square, that is AB square, plus perpendicular square, that is BC square. So AC square is equal to the value of AB, that is 24 square, plus the value of BC, that is 7 square. So 24 square, that is 24 into 24, plus 7 square, that is 49, and 24 into 24, that is 4 4 ja 16, so 6, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, so 8 8 16, 1 carry, that is 17, so 17 7, 2 2 ja 4, 1 carry, that is 5, 5 6 5 7 6 plus 49 is equal to 9 plus 6, that is 15, and 7 plus 4, that is 11, 1, that is 1 carry, that is 12, 5 1 carry, that is 6. So AC square is equal to 6 to 5, so AC is equal to 6 to 5 square root is equal to 25 centimeter. So AC is equal to 25 centimeter, that is hypotenuse. So 25 centimeter. So sin A, this angle sin A is equal to perpendicular divide base. So perpendicular, that is BC divide sin A is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse, that is the value of perpendicular, that is BC, and hypotenuse, that is AC. So BC, the value of BC, that is 7, by AC, that is 25. And next, that is cos A. Cos A is equal to base divide hypotenuse. So base, that is AB, hypotenuse AC. So base, that is AB divide hypotenuse AC, the value of base that is 24, and the value of hypotenuse that is 25. So next find out करना है angle C. So we write a new right angle triangle that is ABC. So this angle is C, that is C, and this is A, this is B. So this is B. So that is base. So base that is 24 and 7 and 25 this. So this is, so फाइंड आउट करना है साइन सी. So sin C is equal to, so this is angle A and this is angle C and this is B. So this is angle C, this is angle A and this is C. So find out करना है sin C. So this angle, this is perpendicular and this is base and this is hypotenuse. So sin C is equal to perpendicular, that is AB divide hypotenuse, that is AC. So the value of AB, that is 24, divide AC 25. Next cos C is equal to base divide hypotenuse. So this angle, that is base BC divide hypotenuse, that is AC. So the value of BC is equal to 7 and the value of AC, that is 25. Next question number second. This is figure, that is P R and Q. Q angle is 90 degree and that is this, यानी कि PR, that is 13 centimeter and PQ, that is 12 centimeter. So RQ find out करना है and the value find out करना है. Find the value of tan P minus cot R. So tan P minus cot R value find out करना है. So by Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse, that is PR to the whole square is equal to RQ to the whole square plus PQ to the whole square. So PR square is equal to the value of that PR square is equal to, that is RQ. So RQ square PQ, that is 12. So 12 square and PR, the value of PR, that is 13 square is equal to RQ square plus 12 square. So 13 square, that is 169 is equal to RQ square plus, that is 12 square 144. So RQ क्यू स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू दिस इज 169 माइनस 144, this is equal to 9 minus 4 that is 5 and 6 minus 4 that is so 169, so that is 2, so 1 minus 1 that is 0, so RQ is equal to 5, so RQ is equal to 5. so find out करना है tan P minus cot R. so tan, first of all, this angle tan P, this angle tan P, so for angle tan P, RQ is perpendicular and QP is base and RP is hypotenuse, so tan P is equal to perpendicular divide base, so perpendicular that is RQ, perpendicular that is RQ divide base that is PQ, so the value of RQ that is 5 divide base that is 12. Next, cot R, so cot R, for angle R, RQ is base and PQ is perpendicular, so cot R is equal to base divide perpendicular, so base that is RQ divide perpendicular that is QP, so QP that is RQ, the value of RQ that is 5 and QP that is 12. so वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है tan P minus cot R, so tan P minus cot R, so tan P is equal to 5 by 12 minus cot R is equal to 5 by 12 is equal to 0. This is answer. Next, question number 3. Question number 3, that is, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, then calculate that is cos A and tan A, cos A and tan A. So sin A is equal to 3 by 4, so we draw a right angle triangle that is ABC. A angle is acute, so angle A is acute, so that is tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Sorry, sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. So since sin is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse, so perpendicular is equal to 3 and hypotenuse that is 4. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square that is AB square plus perpendicular square that is BC square. So the value of AC that is 4 square is equal to AB. Find out करना है AB square plus the value of BC that is 3 square. So 4 square that is 16, AB square plus 3 square that is 9. So AB square is equal to 16 minus 9 that is 7. So AB is equal to square root 7. So AB is equal to square root 7. फाइंड आउट करना है cos A and tan A. So cos A is equal to base divide hypotenuse. So the base, that is base AB and hypotenuse AC. So AB by AC, the value of AB, that is we find square root 7 divide AC, that is 4. Next, tan A is equal to, that is perpendicular divide base. So for angle A, perpendicular BC divide base, that is AB. So BC divide AB. So the value of BC, that is 3, and AB, that is square root 7. Next question number 4. Given that is 15 cot A is equal to 8. फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फाइंड साइन ए एंड सेक ए. साइन ए एंड सेक ए. So we draw a right angle triangle again, that is angle ABC. Angle A is acute, so we can write, so 15 cot A is equal to 8. So we can write cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Since cot A is equal to base divide perpendicular, so for this angle, that is A, this is base and this is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So cot A is equal to base divide hypotenuse, base divide perpendicular. So base, the value of base, that is AB, is equal to 8 and perpendicular BC is equal to 15. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to AB square, that is base square, plus perpendicular square, that is BC square. So AC square is equal to the value of AB, that is 8 square, plus the value of BC, that is 15 square. 8 square is equal to 64 plus 15 square, that is 225. So we add this. So 5 plus 4, that is 9, and 6 plus 2, that is 8, and 2, that is 289. That is AC square is equal to 289. So AC is equal to square root 289. So that is 7. That is 17. So 17 AC. So AC is 17. So find out करना है sin A is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse. So perpendicular, that is BC divide hypotenuse, that is AC. So the value of BC, that is 15, divide hypotenuse, that is AC, that is 17. Next find out करना है sec A. Sec A is equal to hypotenuse divide base. So that is by this angle, hypotenuse, that is AC, and base, that is AB. So 17 by 8. This is question number 4. And next question number 5. So question number 5, given sec theta is equal to 13 divide 12. So calculate all calculate all other trigonometry ratios. So we draw a right angle triangle, that is ABC. Angle B is 90 degrees, so that is right angle. Angle A is, that is acute, so sec theta is equal to 13 divide 12. Since sec theta is equal to hypotenuse divide base, so hypotenuse, that is 13, and base, that is 12. So by Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So the value of AC, that is 13 square, is equal to AB, the value of AB, that is 12 square, plus BC square is equal to 13 square, that is 169, is equal to 12 square, 144, plus BC square. So 169 minus 144 is equal to BC square. So 169 minus 144 is equal to, that is 5 minus 4, 9 minus 4, that is 5, and 6 minus 4, that is 2, BC square. So BC is equal to 5. So BC is equal to 5. So find out करना है all other ratios. So first of all find sin theta. So by this angle is theta, suppose this angle is theta, so sin theta is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse. So perpendicular, that is BC divide hypotenuse AC. So the value of BC, that is 5, the value of AC, that is 13. Next, cos theta is equal to base divide hypotenuse. So base, that is AB divide hypotenuse, that is AC. So AB is equal to 12 and AC is equal to 13. Next, that is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular divide base. So perpendicular, that is BC divide base AB. So 5 by 12. Next, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse, that is AC divide perpendicular, that is BC. So the value of AC, that is 13 divide 5. Next, that is sec theta is equal to hypotenuse divide base. So hypotenuse, that is AC divide base, that is AB. So 13 by 12, it is already given, that is 13 by 12. Next and last, that is cot theta is equal to base divide perpendicular. So base, that is AB divide perpendicular, that is BC. So 12 by 5. This is question number 5. And next, that is question number 6. Question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angle such that cos A is equal to cos B, then so that angle A is equal to angle B. So we draw a right angle triangle that is ABC, where A and B both are acute angles. So this is angle A and this is angle B and this is angle C. Angle C is right angle. Angle A and angle B both are acute angle. Since cos A is equal to cos B is given, so cos A is equal to, that is for angle A, cos A for angle A, so cos A is equal to base divide hypotenuse. So base, that is AC, divide hypotenuse, that is AB. Hypotenuse, that is AB, is equal to cos B for this angle, that is angle B, that is angle B, this is angle A. So cos B is equal to base divide hypotenuse. So angle this base, that is BC, divide hypotenuse, that is AB. So AB is cancel out and AC is equal to BC. So this is, that is C is also cancel out. So angle A is equal to angle B. Proved. Next question number 7. Next question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7/8, evaluate first, that is 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta divide 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So this is value find out करना है. So we draw a right angle triangle that is A B C. First of all we simplify this. So 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, that is A plus B and A minus B. So we know that A square minus B square is equal to A plus B and A minus B. So we apply this formula. So 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, that is 1 square minus sin square, divide 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So 1 square minus cos square. So 1 square, that is 1 minus sin square. So sin square divide 1 square 1 minus cos square. So 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square and 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square. So cos square, that is theta, cos square theta divide sin square theta. So cos square theta divide sin square theta, we can write cos theta divide sin theta to the whole square is equal to cos theta divide sin theta is equal to cot theta. So we can write cot theta to the whole square, that is equal to cot square theta. So cot theta, the value of cot theta is already given, that is 7/8. So we directly evaluate cot square theta, that is 7/8 to the whole square, that is 49 divide 81, that is 64. that is 49 divided 64. Next, that is second part find out करना है cot square theta. So we directly find out that is cot square theta. So the value of cot theta is given already, that is 7 by 8. So we directly put 7 by 8 square. So 7 square, that is 49, and 8 square, that is 64. So next question number, this is question number 6. Next, that is question number, this is question number 7, and next question number 8. Next question number 8, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether that is 1 minus tan square A divide 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So चेक करना है. So first of all, 3 cot A is equal to 4. So we can write cot A is equal to 4 by 3. So cot A is equal to 4 by 3. So we know that tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So tan A, the value of tan A is equal to 3 by 4. So cot A is equal to 4 by 3 and tan A is equal to 3 by 4. So we draw a right angle triangle, that is A B C. Angle A is acute and angle B is 90 degrees. So tan A is equal to 3 by 4, that is tan A is equal to perpendicular divide base. So perpendicular, that is 3, that is hypotenuse. AC square is equal to base, that is AB square, plus perpendicular, that is BC square. So the value of AB, that is 4 square, plus BC, that is 3 square. So 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9, that is 25. So AC square is equal to 25. So AC is equal to 5. AC is equal to 5. So find out करना है cos A is equal to base divide hypotenuse. So base, that is AB, divide hypotenuse, that is AC. So the value of AB, that is 4, divide AC, that is 5. Next, sin A is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse. So for this angle perpendicular, that is BC divide hypotenuse, that is AC. So value of BC, that is 3 by AC, that is 5. So प्रूफ करना है 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर A डिवाइड 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर A इज इक्वल टू cos स्क्वायर A माइनस sin स्क्वायर A. So we put all these value, that is 1 minus, so tan A, the value of tan A. So we find out that is the value of tan A is equal to 3 by 4. So we put 3 by 4 square divide 1 plus tan square that is 3/4 square is equal to that is cos square. The value of cos is equal to 4/5 minus sin square a, that is the value of sin a is equal to 3/5. So we write 3/5 to the whole square. So we easily solve with 1 minus 3/4 to the whole square, that is 9/16, divide 1 plus 9/16 is equal to 4 square divide 5, that is 16/25, minus 3 square, that is 9/25. So we can write that is 1 minus 9/16 divide 1 plus 9/16 is equal to 16/25 minus 9/25. So we take LCM, that is 16 minus 9/16 divide 16 plus 9/16. So 16 is cancel out and 16 minus 9 divide 25. So 16 minus 9 that is 7, divide 16 plus 9 that is 25, and 16 minus 9 that is 7/25. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is question number 8. Next question number 9. Question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, that is B is right angle. So if tan A is equal to 1 by square root 3, so find the value of, that is first part, sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Next second part, that is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So we draw a right angle triangle, that is ABC. Since tan A is equal to 1 by square root 3, so tan A is equal to perpendicular divide base. So the value of perpendicular, that is 1, and base, that is square root 3. So we find out AC, that is hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So the value of AB, that is square root 3 square, 1 square, that is square root 3 square. So that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 AC square. So AC is equal to, that is 2. So hypotenuse is 2. So first part find out करना है, sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. So the value of, first of all we find all value, that is sin A cos C in plus cos A into sin C. So sin A is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse, so perpendicular that is 1 divide hypotenuse 2. Next that is cos C, cos C by this angle, so this is angle C, this is angle C, angle C. For angle C, cos is equal to base divide hypotenuse, so base that is 1, hypotenuse that is 2. Next that is cos A, so cos A is equal to base divide hypotenuse, so by this angle base that is AB, so square root 3 divide per hypotenuse that is 2, so square root 3 divide 2. नेक्स्ट फाइंड आउट करना है साइन सी, साइन सी इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर डिवाइड हाइपोटेनस, सो फॉर एंगल सी परपेंडिकुलर डेट इज स्क्वायर रूट 3 डिवाइड हाइपोटेनस डेट इज 2. सो फाइंड आउट करना है साइन ए इंटू कॉस सी, फर्स्ट पार्ट फाइंड आउट करना है साइन ए इंटू कॉस सी प्लस कॉस ए इंटू साइन सी. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन ए, so the value of sin A is equal to 1 by 2 and cos C is equal to also 1 by 2. So we write sin A is equal to 1 by 2 plus into cos A is equal to 1 by 2 plus cos A into sin C. So the value of cos A, so cos A is equal to square root 3 by 2 and sin C is equal to also square root 3 by 2. So we write square root 3 by 2 into square root 3 by 2. So we multiply 1 by 4 plus that is 3 by 4. So we directly add that is 1 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4 that is 1. So this is first part and next that is second part, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So cos A that is cos A, so cos A that is square root 3 by 2 into cos C, so cos C that is 1 by 2 minus sin A, so sin A that is 1 by 2 into sin C that is square root 3 by 2. So we multiply square root 3 by 2 into 2 minus square root 3 by 2 into 2. So we directly cancel out, that is equal to 0. This is question number 9. Next question number 10. Next question number 10. In question number 10, in angle PQR, right angle at Q and PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin p cos p and tan p. So first of all we draw a right angle triangle that is PQR. Angle Q is right angle, that is given angle Q is right, and PQ that is PQ is equal to given, that is PQ is equal to 5, and PR plus QR is equal to 25. So PR plus QR is equal to 25. This is equation number first, and we know that is by Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse a PR square is equal to base square, that is PQ square, plus perpendicular square, that is QR square. So PQ square is equal to PR square minus QR square. PR square minus QR square. So the value of PQ is 5. So we put the value of PQ, that is 5, that is square. So PR square minus QR square, that is A square minus B square. So we can write A plus B and A minus B. So PR plus QR into PR minus QR. So PR plus QR is given, that is 25. So 5 square, that is 25, is equal to PR plus QR is equal to 25 given. So we can write 25 into PR minus QR. So 25 is cancel out. So 1 is equal to PR minus QR. So we write PR minus QR is equal to 1. This is equation number second, and PR plus QR is equal to 25. This is equation number first. This is given. PR plus QR is equal to 25. So we add both equations, so we cancel out, that is QR. So PR plus PR, that is 2PR is equal to 1 plus 25, that is 26. So PR is equal to 26 divided 2, that is 13. So PR is equal to 13. So this is PR is a hypotenuse. So we find out करना है, that is sin P, cos P and tan P. So for angle P, that is sin P, this is base and this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So sin P is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse. So this is 13, and next, that is PR is equal to 13. So QR, the value of QR, so we put PR in equation number first. So we find PR plus QR is equal to 25. So PR, the value of PR, that is 13 plus QR is equal to 25. So QR is equal to 25 minus 13, that is equal to 12. QR is equal to 12. So QR is equal to 12. So this is QR, that is 12. So sine P is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse. So perpendicular, that is QR, divide hypotenuse, that is PR. So sine P is equal to perpendicular, that is QR, divide hypotenuse, that is PR. So the value of QR, that is 12, and PR is equal to 13. Next, cos P is equal to base divide hypotenuse. So base, that is 5, that is PQ. PQ divide hypotenuse PR, that is 5 by 13. Next, tan P. Tan P is equal to perpendicular divide base. So perpendicular, that is RQ divide PQ. So 12 divide 5. This is question number 10, and the last question, that is question number 11. Question number 11, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. The first question, this first part, that is sec. The first part, that is the value of tan A is always less than 1, that is 1. The value of tan A is always less than 1. tan A का वैल्यू हमेशा 1 से छोटा होता है. So we know that is tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So this is false. And next, that is tan 60 degree is equal to square root 3, that is the value of 1.732. so this is greater than 1. So we can say the value of tan A is 1 or greater than 1, and so the statement, that is the value of tan is always less than 1, is false. So this is false. Second part, sec A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of A. So sec A is equal to 12 by 5. So sec A and cos A, the value of sec A and cos A is 1 or greater than 1. So this is, that is 12 by 5. So we divide, that is 5 1 ja 5, 2 ja 10. So 2 and 5 4 ja 20. So 2.4, this is greater than 1. So this is true. Next statement, that is third, cos A is, that is cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. So cos A is abbreviation of cosine, that is cosine, not cosecant, cosine. So this is false. Next, that is fourth part, cot A is the product of cot and A. Cot A is single. Cot A is single, not double. So this is also false. Next, fifth number, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. So we know that sin theta is belong -1 to +1. So the value of 4 by 3, that is 1 into 1.3 approximate. So this is greater than 1. So this is also false. So my dear friend, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.